한 번 더. One more time. Super Street. All right. Drift. It's all about drift. So this sticker over here is that one over there you see with Drift Republic and Super Street hoodie. It's really nice. 이거 진짜 근데 이쁜 것 같아요. 후디. 진짜 이쁘다 이거 진짜. 좋아요. 어머니 이거 한번 해주세요. 이거 엄지로 아니 이거 잘하시는 거. Looking good. 한 번 더. One more time. Super Street. Alright. 감사합니다. So this is his signatory mountain decal, supposedly, but obviously it's not a mountain, but just a little rub over here. Drift. It's all about drift. Going sideways. We got a whole bunch of other cars over here, and some people don't like getting recorded, so can't really pull the camera out because I can't really get the consent from all of them. So, but just a real quick view. And we're definitely going to do a review on this GTR. It's also the same friend from that Rallybacker V2 86. That's the one over there. And so again, can't really film them all. Just going to do a real quick job. Guess what? I came across one of the rarest car that you'll ever find out here on the streets of Korea. So I present you the MRS. This car over here is still currently a work in process. The whole carbon, he just sanded it, and he just needs waiting on the clear coat and all the rest of the remaining jobs to be done. And huge big shout out to the owner over there. He's with one of the crews over there, and for letting me film this monster. Like, again, you don't get to see that many MRSs in Korea, but this is one of the kind. He built this body kit explicitly for his car over here. And again, these body part over here that you see, it's not FRP. This is carbon. So if you look really up close, you'll see all the weavings. You see? So again, the carbon hood, and he was a little reluctant to have his car filmed because it's just work in progress. Who would want to, showcase their car live on the web before it's all ready? I think it's one of the lifetime experience kind of thing over here. So I went up to the owner, said hello, and then I got a permission from him that I can have his beast on camera. And this build over here that he's currently working on is actually for drag racing. And again, this is still work in progress, but that's what this build is for. And again, as I said, we are at this rest, and this place is famous. To some people, it's notorious. So again, close look at the car over here. It's wide body, not a bolt-on, but it's just a wide body from the whole body. And crazy radiator, MRS being, of course, the whole engine is over here. Look at this crazy duct, see through. I can still feel the warmth. So gauges, racing wheels, and with the bucket seats as well, of course. See, so it's a carbon. Yeah. See, so this is the carbon. 어떤 것들이 있나요? 드래그 차량이고. 아, 저한테 그냥 말씀해 주시면 제가 뭐 번역을 하던 자막을 넣던 하면 되니까.
2GG
2JG요?
2ZZ
아, 2ZZ. 2ZZ engine on this monster here.
그리고 287 하나 RS 터비는 287 하나 RS
287 turbo. 빅 싱글인가요 그러면? 와, 이 manifold 와. So it's a big single turbine. Look at that manifold. That's crazy.
RM이 웨이트 다운.
And
차에서 직접 매니도 만드신 거예요?
네.
the wastegate over there, deep down.
커스텀이네요.
So this
네.
is the duct going towards the radiator. Obviously, right? I don't think I've ever seen a big hose like this one. It's the biggest size I've ever seen.
It's coming from the door side ducts.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't have the hood support, so we're holding it up like that, well, JDM style. 아, 진짜 감사합니다.
연료는 이쪽으로 놓고 있습니다.
아, 지금 여기서요? 이게 없어서 아직. Okay, so guess what? That's the fuel. So that's a fuel cap, and you don't expect to find a fuel cap inside of engine bay. But 근데 여기 있어도 괜찮나요, 열이?
네, 괜찮아요. 여기서
뭐 어차피
호스로
한 요 정도니까.
연장해서 이쪽에서 넣든 거 아니면 여기서 젤리캔으로 넣으면 되니까.
젤리캔.
Again, hopefully I get lucky enough to bombard into this beauty once more in the near future. So 감사합니다. 여기 박수 한번 감사드립니다. So this is the owner. Big shout out to him. Thank you.